Hi, I'm Molly at Park Walsh, a licensed insolvency practitioner. If you are putting your company into Members Voluntary Liquidation, MVL, and it's a solvent liquidation, what information do you need to provide? Well, at Park Walsh we have a questionnaire that we can easily send to you and we can run through it with you. You'll have myself and a case administrator assisting you with the liquidation, and we will run through it with you and get all the information that we need. And it's vital that we have everything at the beginning because it helps us conduct the members' voluntary liquidation efficiently as soon as I'm appointed liquidator. But as a guide, the information that we would need would relate to the assets. What assets are there that you need us to deal with within the liquidation? Typically, it's only the cash at bank, in which case we would just need the bank name, account number, sort code, and the balance. We would then, once we're appointed liquidator, request that balance from the company bankers. They would send it to a designated estate account, which would then be distributed to the shareholders. But if there are other assets other than the cash at bank, we would need details of those. Then in regards to the liabilities, we would need to know if there are any creditors outstanding. If so, we would need details of their names, addresses and the amounts due, or simply a copy of their invoice, which would be quite useful. If the company has no liabilities, just a statement confirming that. And we would also need HMRC's reference numbers. Even if they're not owed anything, we would still need the VAT number, pay-as-you-earn reference number and CT reference. And we would also need a copy of the last filed returns so we can ensure that there are no liabilities outstanding, because although we don't need clearance from HMRC anymore, we do need to take measures to make sure that everything's up to date and no liabilities are due. And then in regards to the shareholders, so we would need names and addresses and emails and telephone numbers, all the contact information so that we can liaise with them throughout the liquidation process, but also so that we can pay them their shareholder dividend, and for that we will need their bank account details. And just before we make the distribution to the shareholder, we would call them and verify their bank details for security purposes. And then if there's anything else that you need us to deal with within the liquidation, we would need details of that. So it does depend on what you want us to do as liquidator in this liquidation as to what information we need. But typically, details of the assets, details of the creditors, details of the shareholders. But if you want to run through it, I can send you our questionnaire, or you can give us a call and we can just discuss what information we're going to need from you. Thanks so much.